Hi guys, Happy Father's Day. So ito yung Miracle Glass Bridge, the longest transparent glass bridge in the world. Dito sa Batangas, situated at right beside the Batangas Bay. Okay? So excited ang lahat, pumasyal. Ang dami, grabe. Right now, a lot of people are now here, excited to see and experience the glass bridge, the longest glass bridge in the world. Okay, so ayun siya. Ayan, kaya lang hindi pa tapos. yun. So hindi pa tapos. So excited ang mga tao na pumasyal, pumunta, ma-experience. Kaya lang hindi pala tapos. Matatapos pa lang. Yun ang catch doon, matatapos pa lang. So once natapos yan, grabe, exciting. Kahit ako gusto ko ma-experience. Tumapak dyan sa glass bridge na yan. Na wonder of creation. Okay, ng human being. But for now, tingin-tingin lang muna and then antabay hanggang matapos. Pero once na pumunta ka dito sa Monte Maria, ang exciting if you're a religious guy, religious people. So eto yung church dito na merong napakalaking statue ni Mama Mary. Ayan, so sa ilalim niyan may church. So pwede ka mag-charge. So pwede din dahil din ng family mo kasi ano rin naman dito, yung view, sea breeze. So iwas ng konti sa mga pagdala mo ang family mo, iwas naman sila sa, lalo na yung mga kids, iwas muna sa mga computer, cellphones while enjoying the view here in Monte Maria. So there's a sea, the Manila Bay, and of course yung ambience, presko ang hangin. So iwas muna sa gadgets. Ayan, so yan, a lot of family, a lot of people right now here during this Father's Day. Okay, so see you guys. Thank you. Once na nagawa itong longest glass bridge in the world. Ayan. So, diyan ko kayo dadalhin. Okay, see you. Bye-bye.